Happy 4th of July, everyone. So today is currently Monday, July 4th, and it is like 2:53 in the afternoon. I'm starting tomorrow's vlog because tomorrow is grocery shopping day. I'm starting tomorrow's vlog a little bit early today, and that is because I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge, getting it all ready for tomorrow, writing a store list, all that kind of good stuff. So I figured that you guys would like to see how I do everything before I actually go grocery shopping tomorrow and everything, because I don't know exactly where we're going yet. And excuse my appearance. I woke up about 9:30 this morning because Mother Nature decided to call me this morning, and you know, I had to put a tampon in. So yay, go figure. Every time on the 4th or 5th of the month it always happens. But the good thing is I last 3 days. So, and another reason why I said don't, like, excuse my appearance, that is because I did my 4th of July makeup look yesterday, and I still got some of the red right here, and I still got some of the blue because it's like stained my eyes. So that is why I said please excuse my appearance. And I just got my hair up in this little funky bun that everybody wears. My hair's too long to do this kind of bun. Anyways, but I figured that you guys would like to see me clean out the fridge and do all that sort of stuff for tomorrow. So yeah, I figured that you guys would actually like to see this. Like I said, I also want to say thank you, my love and Soul Weaver. For those of you that don't know, I do call mom and dad my love and Soul Weaver, and that is because they give me this butterfly bracelet the other day when we was over there. Mom's got the same one, and the reason why, and I'm not going to say like personal reasons, but you know, mother-daughter bracelet. So me and her's got one, and I've been wearing it like every day since she's given it to me, and that was like 3 days ago. So yeah, I figured I would do a vlog and then tomorrow's vlog. I don't know why I said that like 3 times already, but I'll just see you guys when I clean out the fridge. Okay, so it is currently now 9:03 at night.
Please,
now.
my picture.
Oh, come here. Don't mind her hair. She just got done eating, so.
Mama, see video.
Yeah, it's a video. Yeah, like I said, she just got done eating, but anyways, like I said, don't mind her hair. She just got done eating. So she got it all over herself. Me and her is getting ready to go clean out the fridge for tomorrow.
This is mommy.
You gonna help me clean out the fridge?
Mommy.
Yeah, you're gonna help me clean out the fridge, ain't you?
Mommy fridge.
Okay. But I've swept the bedroom today. I've did laundry today. I've cooked, did dishes. All of my cleaning is absolutely done. So
Mama, push the door.
we'll push the drawer. So I will see you guys back here in a little bit when I start cleaning out the fridge. But also with my fridge, don't mind it. It is dirty right now because I ain't had time to clean it in a couple of days. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everyone, so now it is currently Tuesday, July 5th, and it is like, let's see, 1:55 in the afternoon. We're getting ready to go to the grocery store now. I've just got this shirt on that I've cut, you know, my tank top, and then I've got the camo shorts on. Now, like I was saying last night, now I am on, you know, that time of the month, so I'm gonna have to grab a couple of tampons. And what I like to do, I like to get the big box, you know, that's got the different sizes in it. This way I can have them throughout the month, plus different sizes for different days, like different flows. So then we're gonna go in my pocket, okay, and then putting on my bracelet that Mom gave me. So just gonna slap that on my wrist here.
Where's my phone?
Over there by Halloween, the Halloween Kills. And then this is basically what I do if I'm putting on jewelry by myself. Sit here and fight with it. Especially when my thumbnails are so long. So I'll be right back when I get it. Okay, so I've got it now, as you guys can see. You guys can hear the rain.
We're finished.
Okay, so turn this light on. Now I'm getting ready to put my hair up. Which, I don't know. I don't even feel like brushing it, honestly. I'm just going to do a messy bun. So, what I do for my messy bun, this is what I always do to my hair. Everybody's asking me, can you do a tutorial? Like, there's really nothing special. Just take it, brush it all back, like that. Then, what I do, take a big scrunchie, get it all on top of my head, whether it looks bad or not. Okay. Grab it like that, take the scrunchie, don't make a full ponytail, just twist, grab, tuck, and do like that. Everybody is asking me how I do that, so you guys can literally see for yourself on how I do that. Then I just take another hair bow and put it over. Okay, I moved angles, so I don't know how well you guys are going to see me now, but I'm going to redo it just for the sake of this video. So, what I do, grab my hair in a ponytail, take it, hold the hair tie in this hand, then I take this hand, grab the hair tie, pull it, twist, tuck all these, and do like that. Which it won't really work with your hairs, like just now being washed, so your hair's gonna be oily for this. Okay, so once you got it figured out, that's what it should look like. Now I'm throwing on some deodorant. And then my Bath and Body Works Forever Red. So I'm just gonna take it. And then there you go. And I got like that much. So. I'm not spending another $16 on this shit.
There you are.
Okay, and then I'm taking a Moto, which this is the CVS brand. It's just a menstrual relief cramp stuff. and then I will be, would you give me a bottle of water? I will be all good to go. So. And I don't know if you guys seen it, but I got some stuff hanging up on the walls. I finally got my stuff up on the walls. Got my necklace and stuff. I bet you guys heard that. And then you guys can see. So I'll be right back when I take these. So I'm back now, as you guys can see. I even just repainted my nails again. So now let's go out here in this rain box now. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit. I'll get some road clips. Okay, so we're out in the truck, as you guys can see and hear. Sorry, you guys ain't seeing nothing except for me in the truck. So I just don't want you guys to see the outside. And my bracelet just got literally soaked. Maybe I should wear tennis shoes. Over here. I know. And then I just did my nails, and that one there just messed up. There's someone's good. So I'll see you guys back here in a little bit. Good, how are you? Them froze. And then all the rain now. Those roasts right there.
Yeah.
Turn back.
Go ahead. Let's say.
Well, I was wanting to put them there. That ain't enough. That ain't enough.
How many roasters you got? Forgot about that. But you remembered it. Thank you.
No, that's what Mom was. Oh no. Yeah, it was.
Okay, so now it is 4:33 in the afternoon. We are getting ready to head to the house. And basically the reason why we didn't get much at IGA, that is because we're going to get everything else at Walmart or somewhere. I just wanted to get all my meat at IGA. As you guys saw, it was exactly $200 for all of the meat that I've got. So I guess we're gonna go put this way, or however we're gonna do this, I don't even know. We're gonna go and get our meat, not meat, but canned foods, pastas, box food, stuff like that. And there's a spider web on my arm. See? There's a spider web. What? There is something wrong with me, obviously. Most people freak out about a spider web. I'm sitting there playing with the thing. Alright, but I guess I'll see you guys here in a minute because we're going to listen to some Brantley Gilbert. Okay, so now it is 6:22 in the afternoon. As you guys saw, I got all of my meat put away. We're getting ready to go to Walmart and stuff so we can finish up. But like I was saying, we're getting ready to go to Walmart so we can finish up grocery shopping, which is getting our pastas and our canned food and stuff. I was more worried about getting the meat and everything first before anything else. But you guys saw I got all my meat and my barbecue sauce because they was having a sale on barbecue sauce. So that is the reason why I didn't get anything else but just meat. But I guess I will see you guys here in a little while, and I will do some road clips on the way to Morehead. So it is currently like 2:14 in the morning. I have got everything bought and put away. I still need to get like some lasagna cheese, taco cheese, flour, and lunch meat. That's pretty much all I need to get, but I really don't need the lunch meat. But give me just a minute and I will show you guys everything in the fridge now. Maybe, if I don't forget. So, yeah, I figured I'd go ahead and end this little vlog right here. But, yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Go down and hit that little red subscribe button. Turn on the bell to be notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video.